a decent load of logs there. It's about the most you can tow with a 3/4 ton truck. Now, if the tractor hadn't run out of fuel, I was going to put one more long one in there. Just get off of me, you stupid bug. Just to help hold it down. But nothing shifted on the way home, not even this one, surprisingly. And this is coming from job number 1. But yeah, I'll get these straps off in one load. Should be a nice little load of logs. That one and that one are kind of out of the pile, but these ones got the idea. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, I could probably yet sell this maple, that birch, and that small oak. But all the rest of these, well, maybe that little maple, or not maple, birch there, that one might sell too. The rest of these are either too small or too many defects. And this cherry with all the knots, even though it's about a 16-inch log, it might end up as firewood, to be honest with you. I don't know if I'll get many boards. Maybe I'll make thick slabs. But yeah, now I gotta stack all this. I didn't get a video of loading last night because it was dark. It was like 7:30 when I started loading. It was 8:30 till I got them all loaded. I got them mostly stacked up except for the long one. But I can't cut 16s right now anyway. I can only do 14. But yeah, nicely stacked. Well, good enough for your PV anyway. So, starting to rain, I'm gonna go in.